Weini Kelati, 24, set an American record at the Boston 10K for women on Saturday, 5 days after the completion of the marathon. Kelati broke the tape by Boston Common in 31 minutes, 18 seconds to beat Molly Huddles' national mark, set in Boston in 2015. Kelati finished second in his first race as a pro after winning 2 national titles at the University of New Mexico. Sharon Lochte, a 13-time All-American, dropped her training partner at the halfway point on Memorial Drive and never looked back, rolling solo through the last 3 miles to win by 39 seconds. Kelati said he'll just race with himself in his training and see how fast a run can be. I know there were fast runners here today who could keep on with me, but all I was thinking was I am just going to go and run my race. Kelati, who is from Eritrea and was born in Kenya, became a U.S. citizen in June, having arrived in the United States at the age of 17. The Tufts Health Plan 10K for women began in 1977 as the Bon Bell Mini Marathon and continued for many years. This year, more than 3,000 runners participated, making it New England's largest all-women sporting event. This year's Boston 10K for women, which was held on a Saturday morning for the first time, moved from its usual second Monday in October to accommodate the Boston Marathon. We were thrilled to launch a virtual event last year for our runners, but nothing compares to this, said race founder Dusty Rhodes. We're excited to be back. Road races are celebratory events that bring out the best in all of us, and today's a perfect example of that.